Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color baby supplies. Let's get started. First, I draw toys for babies. Let's begin with a ball. Next, I draw a bear holding a ball. This cute bear is having so much fun. I start by drawing the bear's face, then add the hands holding the ball. Finally, I draw the legs and give the bear a big smile. Then, I draw baby clothes. Let's draw a bodysuit. This is a one-piece outfit that babies wear. It looks super cute, doesn't it? After that, I draw a pacifier. Babies love pacifiers. They help babies feel calm and sleep better. I draw a simple shape with a round top and a handle. Then, I draw diapers. Diapers are essential for babies. I draw a rectangular shape with soft curves to represent a diaper. Diapers help keep babies clean and dry. Next, I draw baby bibs. Baby bibs are so helpful during mealtime. I draw a rounded shape with a cute design and add some patterns to make it fun. Finally, I draw baby bottles. Baby bottles are for feeding. I draw a tall bottle with a nipple on top. Don't forget to add a cute face to make it extra adorable. Let's start coloring. For the ball, I use yellow, pink, and green to create a colorful pattern. For the bear, I color its fur brown and add details with red, dark yellow, and green. For the pacifier, I use dark yellow, yellow, and dark blue to make it vibrant. For the baby bibs, I color them light purple and add extra details for a cute design. For the baby bottles, I use soft and bright colors to make them cheerful. Finally, I color the two heart shapes red to make them stand out. Our drawing is complete. Look at how colorful and beautiful our baby supplies look. You did an amazing job following along. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a playground step by step. It's simple and fun. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a roof. This roof will be the top part of our playground. It's shaped like a triangle. Next, I draw stairs leading up to the slide. These stairs help kids climb up to enjoy the slide. Let's draw several steps, one by one. Then I draw the slide. It's long, curved, and so much fun to play on. The slide starts from the roof and goes all the way down. I continue by drawing another roof. This roof is for another part of the playground. It's smaller, but just as colorful. Now, I draw a swing. A swing is a must-have in any playground. I draw the frame and then add the seat, hanging by two ropes. Finally, I draw clouds and the sun. Let's add some details to the background. I draw fluffy clouds in the sky and a bright, shining sun. let's start coloring. We're going to use colors of the rainbow to make this playground bright and cheerful. For the first roof, I use red, orange, and yellow. For the second roof, I use blue, green, and purple. For the slide, I use dark yellow to make it stand out. The swing is painted sky blue, while the frame is colored brown. The sun is bright yellow, bringing warmth to the scene. The clouds are painted a soft blue. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Colorful Cute Kids channel for more fun drawing and coloring videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.